Hello, my friend. Before we start, answer this question honestly. Have you ever opened your mouth to speak English and nothing came out? Your mind was empty, your heart was fast, and the moment was gone. If this has happened to you, this video is for you. Take a slow breath with me. This is not a sign that you are bad at English. It is a sign that your brain is under pressure. And today, I want to show you why this happens and how to change it. Not with theory, with real life. When you try to speak English, something strange happens inside your mind. You know the words, you studied before, but in that moment, everything disappears. This often happens at work, in meetings, at the store, or on the phone. And later you ask yourself, why can I understand but not speak? Here is the truth. When you speak English, your brain is doing two jobs at the same time. Job number one, find the right words. Job number two, protect you. Protect you from embarrassment, from sounding stupid, from being judged. And when your brain feels danger, even social danger, it chooses protection. So it stops the words, it freezes you. This is not weakness, this is not laziness, this is not bad English. This is your brain trying to keep you safe. And here is where many learners make a mistake. They think, I need more grammar, I need more rules, I need to be more perfect. So they push harder, they study more. But the freezing stays, because the problem was never English. The problem was pressure. And this is the turning point. You do not freeze because your English is weak. You freeze because your brain thinks you are in danger. And if pressure creates the problem, then less pressure creates the solution. And now, I will show you how to do that. Now that you understand what is really happening, let us slow down and talk about what you can do, step by step, in real life. This is not about being perfect. This is not about speaking fast. This is about feeling safe enough to speak. We will keep everything simple, because simple English helps your brain relax. Step one is very important. Reduce the sentence. When you feel nervous, your brain cannot manage long ideas. Long explanations create more pressure. More pressure creates more silence. So instead of trying to explain everything, say one short sentence. One sentence is enough to begin. For example, at work, you do not need to explain your full opinion. You can simply say, I think this is good, or I'm not sure yet. In a store, you do not need perfect questions. You can say, can you help me? That sentence opens the conversation. Short sentences calm your brain. They give you time, and time reduces fear. Step two is also very important. Speak before you feel ready. Many learners wait for confidence. They think confidence comes first, but confidence does not come first. Confidence comes after action. If you wait until you feel ready, you may wait forever. Instead, speak when the sentence is good enough. Even one sentence is progress. Even one sentence teaches your brain, I survived this moment. Step three is about repetition. Repeat small wins. Every time you speak, even a little, your brain learns something new. It learns that speaking is not dangerous. It learns that mistakes are not disasters. This is how fear becomes smaller, not in one big moment, but in many small moments. Now let me show you how this works in daily life. Imagine you are at work. Someone asks you a question in English. Your heart beats faster, your mind feels empty. In that moment, do not explain everything. Do not search for perfect words. Say something simple. For example, let me think, or I'll check and tell you. That one sentence gives you space. It gives your brain time to relax. And when your brain relaxes, more words become available. Now imagine you are on the phone. This is very hard for many learners. You cannot see the other person. The pressure feels higher. Again,
Use short sentences. Say, "Can you repeat that, please?" Or, "One moment, please." Communication is not about perfection, it is about connection. Some days this will feel easy, other days you will feel slow and frustrated. Both days are part of learning. Progress is not a straight line. Progress is quiet. Sometimes you do not notice it. But if you continue, something changes inside you. Fear becomes softer. Confidence becomes stronger. Today, take one small action. Speak English for 30 seconds. Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. Talk about how you feel. Not perfect, not fast, just real. English is not something you finish. It is something you live, one small step at a time.